How to recover deleted photos on WhatsApp Solis Ban. First of all, let me show you from here how you can recover deleted photos from your WhatsApp application. First, I'm going to send a photo from here to my other WhatsApp account. Now, I will go to my other WhatsApp account. Here you can see that the photo has arrived. The first thing you need to do is make sure to download this photo to your device. After that, I delete this photo from here. As soon as someone selects delete for everyone, you will see an option like this indicating that the message has been deleted. So what do you need to do now? Now, if you want to access that particular message or photo, you will need to go to the internal storage of your mobile phone. Once you are there, click on the search icon and then search for WhatsApp Intelligence. You absolutely need to search for this specific term, and then you'll see a filters option. Please click on it. Here you will clearly see these options, these distinct folders. One is WhatsApp Business Images and the other is WhatsApp Images. Click on this one. As soon as you click on it, then proceed to click on Private. Now, the photos you were diligently looking for will appear here. You can easily open and view those photos right here, the ones that you were trying to find.